Victor, I'm gonna show you how to do this question. Okay, I'm gonna read to you now. 9 points are spaced at intervals of 1 unit around a 2 by 2 square. As shown below, 2 of the 9 points are chosen by random. What is the probability that the points are 1 unit apart? Okay, so I'm gonna show you it now. So I've got these colors to demonstrate. So we want to count the total amount with 1 unit apart. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You might ask why it's not here, because this is like different. If you try and write from here, it's different from this straight line. Okay, so when you got 12 already, it's on the top out of, because you want to know the probability out of the total amount. So we have to count the total amount. So the first point we can use, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 on the first point, but plus by the second point. Yeah, so we want to know the total amounts. Do the same thing, but we don't put this back here because this is already counted. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then after that we do the same thing. This is already with this, so then it's plus by 6, plus by 5, plus by 4, plus by 3, plus by 2, plus by 1, plus by 0 maybe. Okay, plus by 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Here's 0. So now we just plus them totally. So plus here 10, plus here, or plus here. Actually, okay. So now we plus these 11 and plus these two 15. So when we plus them, so we plus them again. So 26 plus by 10 is 36. So it's out 36. And then now we can simplify them. We can just cross out 1, cross out 3. That's the answer. Thanks for watching, and bye.